flower. First of all, take some hibiscus flower and lemon juice and soap water and water. We take a petals of hibiscus flower and put it in a cooking vessel and add some water. Then boil for 5 minutes. After boiling, allow the liquid to cool. Then filter the extract from petals by using a sieve. Now the hibiscus indicator is ready to use. Now we are using this indicator acid-base reaction for this experiment. We require some lemon juice and soap water and add the indicator to both the lemon juice and soap water. Color. We can see hibiscus indicator change its color. It turned red in the acidic solution and turned green in basic solution.